Hi.
I'm Janet.
And I'm Gareth.
And we're the Port Monkeys.
Happy New Year.
To everyone out there.
I realize that's a little bit late, but we don't usually do videos like this, and today we are.
Because we were super excited. We're scheduled for the inaugural cruise on the Sun Princess, which was supposed to be February 8th. We got our medallions in the mail.
I love Princess.
On the same day, we got a call from Princess that our cruise was canceled.
Canceled. So we were going to fly to Barcelona. That's where the cruise was leaving from. We were going to fly to Barcelona a few days early. And we were going to stay in a hotel, of course, and go to La Sagrada Familia and up to Montserrat to do the monastery.
And make a couple videos while we're there in Barcelona.
Yeah, let you see Barcelona. Go live even.
Yeah. And then the cruise was scheduled to leave on the 8th from Barcelona.
10-day cruise.
We were going to end up in Rome. We then found out Princess canceled our air.
Well, first of all, we found out Princess canceled our cruise. And so we were no longer on the inaugural cruise. And then they canceled our air. And the reason that was bad was because we were on the next cruise, the Rome cruise, another 10-day cruise on the brand new Sun Princess.
Which now may be the inaugural cruise. Fingers crossed.
It will be the inaugural cruise. Anyway, so look for us on there. We're going to go live every day. We live in California, and it's an 8-hour time difference, at least Rome. Now, the cruise goes all the way to Turkey, which I think has a different time zone.
But we try to go live at a time when our family can watch live from California. So the times may vary. Some days it may not happen until later, some days earlier, but we'll do our best to let everybody know.
What Janet's saying is sometimes we're going to be live in the morning, Pacific Daylight Time, and sometimes we're going to be live at night, Pacific Daylight Time. But you can always watch them on our YouTube channel because they're there. Just look for Port Monkeys Live. All our live feeds are there on our channel from going back for years. Anyway, so fingers crossed that we do sail on the 18th. We're going to spend a few days in Rome now, or at least Civitavecchia. That's where the cruise port is. And then at the end of March, we're flying to Brisbane, Australia again. We went there last year. We're going to get on the Carnival Luminosa and sail all the way back to Japan, making stops in...
No, all the way back to Alaska.
Oh.
Back
to Seattle, making stops in Japan and Alaska. And Guam. Anyway. Yeah, that's right.
Silly.
So we were already scheduled to sail for 51 days this year between the two Sun Princess cruises and the one Carnival Luminosa. It's 31 days. But now that's cut down already to 41 days, and hopefully it'll hold. And then we're going to go somewhere in May maybe, and then in the fall. Last year we went on 10 different cruises.
Yes.
So, and we went on...
A little over 100 days.
Yeah, some of them were back to back, so we only went on like 7 different ships. So we have ship tours of all those on our channel. Of course, if you're watching this, you already know that, don't you?
But now we have the dilemma of, do we rebook our air? Because Princess did cancel it.
And we don't know if the next cruise is going to sail or not.
And we were told they were putting us on a wait list for the 3rd cruise, which would leave on the 28th, which we would go on and extend for another 10 days. but we would have to change hotels, train tickets, meeting up with some friends of ours, and reschedule everything. So we're not sure whether to wait until next week when we hear if the second cruise is going, or try booking it now.
When we get off the ship in Civitavecchia, we're taking the train up to Milan, and a friend of ours who lives in Italy is picking us up there and taking us to his town, which we also have video of on our channel. It's Varallo Sesia. It's up in the foothills of the Alps, so it's very northern Italy. Of course, Rome's around in the middle. Naples down in the south, Messina, very south.
But we were so looking forward to it. We
We
were
still
so
are.
excited.
But, you know,
Things happen.
so keep in mind that all schedules are soft when it comes to cruises, right? We do have tours scheduled on the Sun Princess. Right now we have 4 tours. So we're going to Ephesus. We're going to a monastery in Corfu. We were originally going to Santorini, but they've canceled that port stop for the first 3 cruises. Well, now just 2, because the cable car is not working. It's being worked on. But in Messina, we're going up Mount Etna and then to Taormina. And there's one other tour. Oh, we're going to go see the Acropolis again. We already have a video of doing the Acropolis, but it's so cool we had to do it again. Anyway, so hopefully you'll catch one of our live broadcasts and make comments. Remember, we answer all the comments we get. So even the mean ones. And thank you to the people who say my voice is soothing. I don't mean it to be. It just is.
Yeah, ha ha.
Anyway, you know who you are. Thank you very much.
And
And a special thanks to Favor from Life with Favor for telling us about hashtags. We're old and maybe we didn't understand them fully, but we're adding hashtags in all our videos now, and so viewership is up. Viewership? Views are up.
views are up.
And if you know YouTube, it's all about the views, right? Anyway,
So, this is Janet,
and I'm Gareth.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Goodbye from Southern California, where it's 80 degrees outside right now.
Bye.
Sorry, I had to add that. It's hot. Bye.